same letter or sound. So if the word begins with all P or letters, the seashore. It's that play of words, that tongue. That's the first example. So try to say that real fast. And the next one is, I misspelled that, but it says 5 furry frogs fishing for flies. 5. So as you can tell, this play on words, the way it sounds, the way it flows, the harmony of all the words together. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. I've also published some kids books. It's going to be a series of 4, could be more, but as of now, they're planned for 4. They are on Amazon, and if you have Kindle Unlimited, these books are free for you guys, so check them out. The description will be in the link below.